Right, the Lego claw. Arthur, sit down. Sit down. Sit. Okay, don't ever try and record a video with a dog on your arm. Right, go to File. Sorry, so go to Sketch. I'm going to do this on the top plane this time, and I'm going to start with the claw part itself. So go to Circle on that centre part, and that is a diameter of 5mm. So Smart 5mm, and change that to 5. Okay, and then go to Features, and then go to Extrude Boss Base. Just 1 second, you'll see what I mean on that, and that is at a depth of 4.5. Okay, I'm just going to pause. So actually created the hand part of that claw, so just press spacebar. I'm going to come in on that end, and I am actually going to put that centre bit in now as well. So again, I'm going to go to Sketch on there, go to Circle, from there pull out, and that is a diameter of 3mm. Put that on there, almost. Okay, and I'm going to Features, Extrude Cut, and when the computer catches up, that's it, and go through all. Okay, and then we've got the sort of main part of the claw. I'm also going to put the 250 grip in, spacebar again, go to Sketch, and do it on that face, and I'm going to draw a centre line in from there through to there. Okay, I'm going to draw another line that side. Now, I could do this with a rectangular tool. I just want to show you something on there, and I'll do the same on that side. Okay, now what I'm going to do is hold the shift key down, select that one, and select that one, and I'm going to make that symmetrical around that center line, and just going to draw a line from there to there. Now yes, these should be defined, but it doesn't really matter at this point. Actually, I will make it defined. I'll just do that on that point there and make that coincidence. Just have one black, and then all I have to do is put a dimension in there of 250 to 0.5. Okay, and just to tidy things up, I'll put another dimension into there, make that 3. Doesn't have to be, but I'll do that. If I do that, now I shouldn't have done that. I should just go to Features and Extrude Cut again. There you go, and it should maybe select it automatically. It has. Make sure that is onto through all. Okay, and there we go. I've got that claw part of the hand. Now I need to bring in the next part at an angle, so I'm going to use a different plane for this one. So let's press spacebar, going down there, so I've got my side view. If I just change that to transparent, you can see what we're actually going to do. And this I'm going to sketch, okay, and I'm going to just look at which plane I want to do this in. So it's not that one, it's that one there, and I'm going to sketch a line roughly from out here somewhere to somewhere there. Now I have no idea at the moment. I know what angle that's got to be, so if I just put an angle in, let's put that in there to there at 10 degrees. Okay, so I know that's there, but it does actually look too big, so that needs to be further out. What else have we got here that I can take reference from? Okay, I'll put a construction line of 3. This is the one that goes in at 3mm. So if I just this is just construction, purely construction. there are some points missing, so do that at 3. Just to find my point from that and how that interfaces, because I'm looking at the end mark of one of the lines. So if I actually make just hold on one second. Okay, I'm going to put a line at 1.9 from the base. So if I just take that line there, as you know, I'm just going to change that dimension there. Makes it easier for me at 1.9. Okay, right, I've got a point now that I can start from. So I'm going to draw a line from approximately there out to there. Okay, and I'm going to make that line and that line parallel. Okay, take a little bit of time. Now I know that's 2.6, so that center line, I'm going to just do a center line. Again, these are all construction line. That center line is my smart dimension from there to there. I want that at, and there's a little trick you can do. If I just go 2.6 divided by 2 will give me 1.3. So I now have the center of where I need to bring that that hole in. And I do apologize for the dog barking. Right, I also know that from that point there to a point there somewhere is 10.65. So if I draw a another center line off the end of that one and bring that down and make sure that I've got a fit there between there and there is perpendicular, which it is, you can see that, that's fine. Okay, now let's bring that line in to be interference with that one. Okay, smart dimension from that point there to that point there. Okay, and I'll make that 10.65. Okay, I now have the end point where I can put my diameters on. So let's just give that a green tick. I'll tidy this up later on. I can actually now get rid of this line here. Let's just delete that. No, don't do that. Okay, I have to go back into edit sketch. Oh, actually, I'll just convert that. Go back into edit sketch, do that one there, and do it that way. Okay, give me that there. Right, I am now going to go to features, go to reference geometry, go to plane, click on that endpoint there and on that line there. Okay, and I'm now going to sketch in that plane. I'm going to draw a circle in that point there. And I know that that circle, if I just give it a dimension, okay, is 2.4. Okay, and I'm going to extrude that by 4 millimeters. So if I go to features, go to extrude boss base. Okay, it's just taking its time a little bit and make that 4 mil. That's perfect. Okay, I'm then going to go in on the end of this one, so I'm going to go to another sketch on that face. I'm going to draw another circle from that center out. Okay, and I know that that is a diameter of 2.6. So smart dimensions. There we go, and 2.6. Okay, and then again features and extrude boss base. Okay, taking its time, and I'm going to go this time, instead of blind, I'm going to go up to surface. I'm going to click on that point there. It doesn't like that, or just thinking about it. Let's just see what it does. Yes, it's done it. So therefore we've got our interface there. Now what we do need to do is put on that radius at the front, which is actually a little bit complex. I'm going to do that in a slightly different way. I'm going to go on to let's just slide it, make sure I'm on the right screen, press that one there, Here we go here. Now it's 2 mil round there. So how do we do that? I have to do that as a cut, I think. Just let me double check that. Yes, it's 2 mil. So I'm going to go and sketch in the center plane here again. So I go to sketch. Choose my plane. Right, it's that one there. And I'm going to draw. Let's do a center arc. Let's just do. Actually, I'm going to cheat and do a circle. But I'm going to do I can't do a primitive circle. I'm just going to do a circle. So just watch this for a second. So click on circle. You'll understand in a minute what I'm doing. Now let's do that as a radius 2. So smart dimensions. Okay, and to do that is a radius of 2. So that's a 4 mil circle. Okay, and I'm now going to click on the circle, hold the shift key down, and make that tangential to that point there. I'm then going to just press the escape key from there and do tangential to that point there. That tangential. Okay, I've now got that arc that I want to have, but I need to get rid of most of the other stuff. So I'm going to draw a line from there to there. I'm sort of making a jig up just to cut away that circle down to that point there. Now I don't have to make sure that is fully defined because I'm using it as a tool. As long as that part's defined, go to the trim tool, click on that there, and then go to features, and then go to my extrude cut. Okay, it's just thinking about it. Go to blind, and I'm going to go through all. Let's just see what this does. Just turn it around. It's gone one way, so I need direction 2 that way, and then give it a green tick. And there we have my 2 mil cut. So let's just bring back on proper shaded part, and that is how your claw should look. Okay, just spotted a mistake on this. I don't have time to rectify it at the moment, but have a go. It's around here, so just check all your dimensions. It may just be a slight adjustment of all these to actually get that to marry up quite nicely. Just going to check on this. I did actually extrude that out at 4.5. Yes, it is 4.5. That's 2.6, 2.4. Let's just check that other one. Let's just check this is 2.4. Edit feature. Take its time. That's been done for. I need to check on the sketch. 2.4. That looks right. And that should be 3 mil to the base. So again, go to your little. Let's just come out of that a minute. Go to my little tool there. Measuring tape. Let's go from that point there. It's not going to let me do it actually. No, not going to give me the mark. I'd have to draw that in to do it. But have a check anyway. It's almost right.